Right, Lamai. The next question that most of you ask from me is that is online education suitable? Right? Can we get an A pass through an online class? Something like that, right? What is the advantage of doing physical, or is there any advantage of doing online? Now, I'm a teacher who is conducting both online and physical classes, right? So I'm not going to be biased for any side, but right, as a teacher who do both of them, I feel that online education has a lot of advantages in comparison to a physical class, right? Now, myself, right, I have taught two batches, right, 2022 batch, 2021 batch, as total online classes. Totally, they were taught in online, right, because they had COVID and all these problems, right, traveling issues and all those things. So they were totally trained as online students. Online students are trained, and they sat for the examination, right? One batch has already received their results. We have very good results. Sima Prashna, right? I haven't even seen some of the students in my real life. Right? But they have A passes. Some of them have selected for the medical faculty, right? Select right? Very good results. Online, pure online, right? Now I'm training the 2023 batch. Very good set of students are there. Definitely set line no problem, right? So I don't have any doubt uh, on behalf of the result, right? The results, I don't have any doubt, but you have several doubts about that one. So you don't need to have any doubt. Right? The people that you know online on the results, there may be a lot of students. Right? Set the so I don't have any doubt. So I'll tell you what are the advantages. Apart from that, again, you don't need to be worried about that one. We have produced a very good set of results, pure online, right? Online I also had that dilemma, right? So no problem about that. So apart from that, what are the advantages? First thing, right? So online, you can see, right? So this is not just an online class, right? We use a lot of technology. Technology can enhance, right? Especially to teach biology, you're going to need a lot of assistance from the technology, right? One thing, we have to do practicals for biology, but we don't have a laboratory facility here. None of the physical classes, single medium class, group classes, the individual teacher, facilities, you don't have facilities, right? So, but sometimes you need to have a very good idea about some parts of microscopes, right? Some other equipments that you do use in practical. Practicals will use another test tubes. You don't know the names. The names these equipments, right? You should have seen them, right? Use again, you should have very good experience with them. And also when you learn about some systems, right? Biology laboratory with the skeletal system. Yes, we have to learn the skeletal system. Animal lesson functioning animal the skeletal system. But in the class, physical class, right? The whole system, digestive system, right? So it's difficult, but with the support of the new technology, I'm going to give you some softwares. In the class, I'm going to show you them. And I'm going to give you some licensed softwares. Then you can use them and you can get that feeling. The feeling you can't pull off. All right. Softwares. Software. Two things. A lot of things are there, but commonly, all level these are generally life. How the technical support, software support is taken to make this a better experience in comparison to a physical class. Physical class, the experience make. When I give you the software link study all the systems. Links create more than 70 links are there, especially when it comes to the human body. Body in details, skeletal system, digestive system, lungs, heart, kidney, brain, ගොඩක් තියෙනවා, right? Skeletal system is also divided. අපි skull එක ගැන වෙනම ඉගෙන ගන්නවා, right? Bones of the hand separately they are taught. ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. Huge diversity is there, right? When it comes to plants also it is like that, right? Plant එකේ cells ඇතුළට ගිහිල්ලා අපි බලනවා. අසල වැඩ ටිකක් තියෙනවා. අපි බලමු දෙකක්, right? Right. ළමයි. This is the light microscope, right? So when I give you the software, right, we have practical related to the light microscope, and you should know all the important things about the light microscope. Light microscope එකේ වැදගත් දේවල් ටික දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. We have several practicals related to that one, right? So yeah, I know in your schools light microscope is there, තියෙනවා. නමුත්, right? If you want to suddenly know part එකක් අගලා අමතකයි නම්, you can use this software. So this is going to give you a very nice experience. මේ බලන්න. අපිට මේව අල්ලන්න පුළුවන්, right? When this is recorded, smoothness එක නැහැ, right? But when you are using it, you can get that smoothness on the, right? Just like you're holding into a microscope and looking at the parts. If you want to look at the mirror, මට mirror එක පොඩ්ඩක් වරිපුර බලා ගන්න. Right. In the mirror එක. You're going to look at the mirror. Right. You need to look at the mirror, right? You need to have a good idea about how things are placed on the stage. Stage එක පොඩ්ඩක් වරිපුර බලන්න. ඔන්න බලන්න. Stage. Right? Stage. You need to look at objective lenses. Objective lens කොහොමද තියෙන්නේ? කොහොමද arrange වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? You can get a very good idea. Objective lens. Right? eyepiece එකත් පොඩ්ඩක් බලමු කියලා හිතුවා. Right? You can go to the eyepiece also. Yeah. So you can nicely observe all these parts with the support of the technology, right? I'm going to give you these links. May links to call it there. Make up, right? I have selected a very simple structure because you should know that. Right? There are a lot of, right? 70 links there now. Let's look at the other one also. Right, now this is a version, right? We have several versions of the human skeletal system now. Human skeletal system, right? So in this one, again, school laboratory, okay? Just like you went to the school laboratory, you can get a very good idea about each of the important bones, right? Or the backbones can study right? So now, you don't know the names. Bones of the hand, study You're going to look at these things, how they are arranged and all that, right? Bones of the palm ke bones they are arranged. Can study about them, how they are arranged. From the arrangement, just like you see a skeleton at the laboratory, you can get that idea. Not only in the class, even at home. Right? If you have a suitable computer, mobile phones support this one, but that depends on the type of mobile phone you have, right? Mobile phone but all the computers support these, right? From a computers make a support. So skeletal system, right? Just like this, you can get a very good idea about most of the things that we talk due to these facilities that we use. Facilities, right? Make a cock. This is one way that we use the support, or we get the support of technology to teach something. And like, there are some processes. Processes, when I was explaining the syllabus also, I told you. Photosynthesis, respiration, activity of enzymes, DNA replication, protein synthesis, right? So we have to learn a lot of processes related to A-level biology. When we are teaching a process, it's really difficult to teach it without the support of a video. Video එකක් නැතුව හරි අමාරුයි. දැන් මම ඉන්සිඩන්ට් එකක් කියනවා. මිනිස්සෙක් ආවා, ගැහුවා, එක්කෙනෙක්ට ගහලා දිව්වා. Somebody came and hit another person and he ran away. යනකොට මාළෙකුත් කඩාගෙන ගියා. කතන්දරයක් දිගට කියනවා. උත් වහගෙන ඉන්නවා. But I'm going to show you a video. එකපාරයි one shot මරක. Just like that, we get the support of technology support, especially the virtual background support, to show you such processes, right? So this is how we are going to get the support of technology to describe you, easily explain you some processes. So this is a video related to the protein synthesis, right? If you are an O-level student, you don't know about the process again, right? But using these videos, this is the DNA. This is how DNA is packed. DNA packed, right? This is the double helix. Likewise, I'm going to explain you all the things. This is a process, because the process, right? But with the support of this virtual background technology, right? Virtual background technology to use. I'm going to explain you this process just like a live experience. Live experience. It's just like something happens around us. Right? This process, you don't know a thing about that. If you are just coming to A-level biology. A-level biology to me, right? This is a video related to the 7th lesson, molecular biology and recombinant DNA technology, right? But since you know some things about DNA, that's why I picked this video, right? So likewise, we take the support of technology, make it a virtual background technology, right? Make DNA chain, actually this RNA chain, RNA chain comes out of the cell. Okay, last time I explain, right? These enzymes are binding, right? Ribosomes bind, right? Then they are going on. Likewise, so it's a nice process. Now it takes a very long time and a big effort to explain this in the book. Physical class එක මේක explain කරන්න ගියාම පුදුම කරදරයක් තියෙනවා, right? Because imagination of all the students are not in the same level. හැමෝගෙම imagination එක in Sinhala we call it පරිකල්පනය, right? එක levels වල තියෙන ළමයි, so it's difficult. But when I'm showing you such a video, the building blocks වගේ ඇවිල්ලා ලස්සන වල ටික වෙන විදිහට පෙන්නනකොට students get this, right? ළමයිට එකපාරයි one shot theory, right? So this is another way we get the support of technology for the online classes. මම මේක physical class එක කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියන්නේ, right? Don't have, right? project එකක් දාලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන project එකක් දාන්න කියලා. But project එකක් දැම්මත් මේ quality එක standard එකට එන්න අමාරුයි. So this is another way that we get the support of the technology to do our online classes. හරිද ළමයි? Alright. මේ තියෙන cell එකක්, the cell, right? ඔය cell එක අපේ ඇතුළට යනවා. We go into the cell, in mitochondria and all that. කොහොමද තියෙනවා, right? Nucleus එක අපි දන්නේ කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා, nucleus, right? අපි ආගේ ඇතුළට යනවා. ඇතුළට කියලා තමයි වැඩි පටන් ගන්න, right? Okay. Now it's another advantage of doing online classes. මේක තවත් online classes වල තියෙන advantage. So the first advantage is using the technology. We take the utmost use of it. උපරිම වැඩ ගන්නවා technology, right? Take related to this one. Second thing, now due to several reasons you miss some classes. What classes miss? Practical reasons, you may get ill, other stuffs, family issues, right? Some things related to that one, friends like it, especially schools, right? In Pulu, right? Due to that one, you miss some classes. In physical classes, you don't have any other method rather than taking the note. And you have to come to the other class. But when you are in the online platform now, right, very simple solution, you can get the recording. Amount of recordings there, right? Even though you are present in the class, if you feel that if I had the recording, I had the chance to read that one. Okay, you can request. I'll definitely share them to your personal emails as a private video. So, share system, right? In our classes, all the students can request for the videos. If your payment is done, video automatically, right? That is the way we are going to function. So if you miss another class, definitely can get the recording, nothing to be worried about. If you want to quickly revise something, so you can get the recordings, the other advantage of online classes. Physically recordings, the other thing, right? When you are getting closer to the examinations, O-level time is important. Time plays a huge role. Now, very important, right? So when you're going to a physical class, 1 hour to go, 1 hour to come, right? 1 hour to rest, it's going to be a waste of time. Recall the O-level final few days, right? The A-level competition, it's going to be an immense problem for you. But if you do online classes, all that time is going to be a bonus for you. Bonus time, right? Time is saved, and that is going to be a bonus for you. Just need to log on, right? Don't need to allocate a time to come in the right? Log out in the you're tired, right? So immensely your time will be saved. Make a advantage. Personally, they have told that due to online classes, traffic not right? Right? Because classes at least government university preferred නම් private එකට යන්න පුළුවන් හැබැයි ඉගෙන ගන්න මේක රස්තියාදු යන අයට අරවා මේවා කරන්නේ කට්ටියත් එක්ක තව රවුන්ඩ් ගන්න physical classes කියලා එහෙම අයට උගන්වන්නේ නැහැ and those students cannot, it's difficult to survive එහෙම නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලෝ හැදෙනවා අපේ class වලට ආවම when we give a target අපි target එකක් දීලා වැඩ කරන විදිය දැක්කම ඒගොල්ලෝ හැදෙනවා ගොඩක් රට වෙන්නේ ඒක තමයි right එහෙම නැත්නම් ඉන්න බෑ right ඒගොල්ලෝ තේරෙනවා වටිනාකම මේක every day when I'm teaching you ඒකත් එක්ක තමයි කියලා දෙන්නේ right මෙහෙම කරොත් මෙහෙම කරන්න පුළුවන් you have opportunities like this. එතකොට ඔයාලා නිකම්ම ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට් වෙනවා අපේ ක්ලාසස් වලට ආවම සබ්ජෙක්ට් එකට. හරි? 99% මට ඒක ෂුවර්, right? හේමත් ළමයි. හේමත් පිටත් නැති ළමෙක් හිටියොත් එයාට අයින් වෙලා යන්න වෙයි. Because the way that we work. ඔකට හොඳට වැඩ කරන ළමයි. Those who love to work. හොඳ රිසල්ට් එකක් දාන්න කැමති ළමෙක්ට time is going to be a very important thing. So time will be saved due to online education. And final thing, and we are in a financial crisis as a country. With the financial crisis again. So if you add monthly expenditures, this is not for you. You won't feel this, but this is for your parents. Feel right? If you go for a physical class, bus fare, and also to eat something, have some snacks, right? Somewhere around 100 around 500 rupees. Okay? මේක දවස් 4ක් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ක්ලාස් ගියොත් හිතලා බලන්න 2000 rupees. මේක ඉතුරුයි should be a saving. ඕක අපිට සල්ලි තියෙනවා. But අම්මලා තාත්තලා ගාලා බලන්නකො how hard they work to earn those money for you. Right. So මේකත් එක advantage එකක්. මේක fourth එක least, right? But due to all these advantages මේ ඔක්කොම දේවල් නිසා ළමයි in comparison to a physical class, online class is immensely helpful for a student who do A-level biology. මගේ subject එකට කතා කරා. Maths වලට මේ animations අරන් ඕනේ නැතුව ඇති. මගේ subject එකට නම් මේ හතරම right? And financial issue. Financial, right? Due to all these four reasons, right? Online education is the best for you. හැබැයි වැඩ කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒගොල්ලෝ අපි බලන්න කවුරුත් නැහැ. You can send me the notes. This is ප්‍රශ්න. ඒවට ඔක්කොම ක්‍රම හදලා තියෙනවා. මේ first time නෙමෙයි අපි class කරන්නේ. Right? All of these things have systems. Systems. But you should work. එහෙම නැති කෙනෙක් කොහොමද? දොස්තර කෙනෙක් වෙන්නේ. තමන්ට තනියෙන් self motivation එකක් නැති කෙනෙක් කොහොමද ડોක්ටර් කෙනෙක් වෙන්නේ? උදේට ඇහැරලා යවන්න වෙලෙඩා බලන්න ඔයා ගිහිල්ලා එන්නේ. Right? එහෙම කෙනෙක් කොහොමද science faculty එකට යන්නේ? scientist කෙනෙක් වෙන්නේ. කොහොමද teacher කෙනෙක් වෙන්නේ කවදාද දවසේ? ළමයින්ට හැරවන්න සර් අපිට උගන්වනවා. It's not going to happen. You should have a self motivation. එහෙම ළමෙක්ට online education is the best thing. And